Have you ever wished you could absorb knowledge 10 times faster? Imagine having a research assistant available 24/7 to answer your questions and dive into complex topics. That's the power ChatGPT brings to your fingertips. Whether you're a student tackling a challenging assignment, a content creator seeking unique insights, or simply a curious mind eager to explore, ChatGPT can revolutionize your research process. Deep Research, the process of going beyond surface-level information to uncover meaningful insights, is crucial for true understanding. However, it can often feel like navigating a maze of articles, books, and conflicting viewpoints. This is where ChatGPT shines. ChatGPT doesn't just provide information, it fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter. ChatGPT isn't bound by time constraints or office hours. It's your personal research assistant, ready to assist you whenever inspiration strikes. This accessibility makes it an invaluable tool for anyone seeking to expand their knowledge base. To begin, simply open the ChatGPT interface. The clean, user-friendly design makes it easy to navigate and engage with. Type in your question or topic of interest in the text bar, and ChatGPT will generate a comprehensive response based on its vast knowledge base. The key to unlocking ChatGPT's full research potential lies in crafting effective prompts. Your prompts should be clear, concise, and focused on the specific information you seek. Avoid vague or general questions. Instead, frame your prompts to elicit detailed and insightful responses. For example, instead of asking, "What is quantum physics?" try a more specific prompt like, "Explain the basic principles of quantum entanglement and its implications for computing." The more targeted your prompt, the more focused and in-depth ChatGPT's response will be. Here are a few examples of effective research prompts. Compare and contrast the philosophical viewpoints of Plato and Aristotle on the nature of reality. Analyze the historical factors that led to the rise of the Roman Empire. Explain the process of photosynthesis in detail, including the chemical reactions involved. Remember, ChatGPT thrives on clarity. The more specific and well-defined your prompts are, the more accurate and insightful your research results will be. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in dynamic conversations. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions to delve deeper into a topic. If something is unclear or you'd like more information on a particular aspect, simply ask. For instance, if ChatGPT provides a response about the causes of the American Revolution, you could follow up with questions like, what were the key economic factors that contributed to the revolution? How did the Enlightenment influence the colonists' views on governance? What were the different perspectives on the revolution within British society? These types of follow-up questions allow you to peel back the layers of a topic and gain a more nuanced understanding. ChatGPT excels at providing additional context, examples, and explanations to clarify complex concepts. Section 4. Organizing the Labyrinth. Structuring your research findings. As you gather information through ChatGPT, it's essential to have a system for organizing your findings. This will make it easier to synthesize the information, identify key takeaways, and avoid feeling overwhelmed by the volume of data. One effective method is to create a simple outline or mind map. Use main headings to represent key themes or topics, and then add subpoints for supporting details, examples, and arguments. This visual structure will help you see connections between different pieces of information and organize your thoughts logically. Another helpful strategy is to summarize key findings in your own words. This not only reinforces your understanding but also helps you internalize the information more effectively. You can create flashcards, write concise summaries, or even record yourself explaining the concepts aloud. Remember, the goal is to transform information into knowledge. By actively organizing and synthesizing your research findings, you move beyond simply collecting data to developing a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Section 5. Unlocking your potential. Embracing smarter research with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is more than just a research tool, it's a gateway to unlocking your intellectual potential. By embracing its capabilities, you can boost your productivity, as ChatGPT streamlines the research process, allowing you to gather information and explore ideas more efficiently. Enhance your creativity, as exposure to diverse perspectives and in-depth information can spark new ideas and fuel your creative endeavors. Become a lifelong learner, with ChatGPT as your guide. You can explore any subject that piques your interest and cultivate a love of learning that lasts a lifetime. As you integrate ChatGPT into your research workflow, remember that it's a tool designed to augment, not replace, your critical thinking skills. Always evaluate the information provided, consider multiple perspectives, and use your judgment to form your own conclusions. In a world overflowing with information, ChatGPT empowers you to navigate the noise and reach new depths of understanding. Embrace the power of smarter research and unlock your full intellectual potential. What will you explore today? Hello guys, this is Jim. I am new on YouTube. Please like and subscribe.